am Amok Pulakanti, the son of Avinash Pulakanti.
Hello, I'm Adya, granddaughter of Sai Kumar Pulakanti.
Hi, I'm Arna Pulakanti, the granddaughter of Sai Kumar Pulakanti.
So we mainly chose to have this lift in our house because we use it very roughly, mainly for our grandparents, for them to come up and down, and then we also use it for luggages and heavy items. We got to know about Nibav Lifts, I think, with the influence of my grandfather's friends. And yeah, overall, it's a very nice use. It's very eco-friendly and it's a good concept. It's pretty convenient to use it. There's no much harm for anybody. It's of vacuum, which is a very good concept. It's not like the normal lifts, and it's a very creative idea from the team Nibav.
Since the lift got installed in our house, it was way more convenient for my grandma and grandpa because they're growing older and older by day and they can't always keep climbing up the stairs. And we also love to travel, so when we have to get the luggage down the stairs, it's very inconvenient. But with the lift, things have been more convenient.
After the lift came into our house, it was convenient for everyone to use, and it's also very safe. Even the kids in our family use it a lot because if there's no electricity in the house, the lift goes it goes fully down to the ground floor, so it does not get stuck in the between. And the features in the lift are also nice. There are safety features, and the lights feature is my favorite. And it also makes our house look very complete and very fancy. I really love the idea. And to install the lift fully, it took about 2 weeks maximum, and no one got disturbed in the house. I would suggest it to anyone who has trouble in their house with taking the heavy luggage up and down, or they have old people in their house.